Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are using Kindness and Compassion, and this is the sweet little thank you card we'll be making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are using Kindness and Compassion, and we're going to be using this thank you right here. And I have a piece of Petal Pink, and this is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. And then I have the Timeless Lay Punch, I think. And we're going to be using both these pieces. I have our stamp mounted on Clear Block D, and I'm going to come in with Mossy Meadow. Alright, so just like that. I have a piece of Magnolia Lane, and this is cut at 3 3/4 by 5. I'm just going to adhere this down with some SNAIL. All right, and then I have the ribbon from the Magnolia Lane Suite and the Organdy striped ribbon. I'm just going to cut these across the same length. So I'm going to put these together. And I'm going to put some tape here in the back. All right, just like that. And then we're going to adhere this down onto our card base, which is Mossy Meadow. And this is cut at 8 1/2 by 5 1/2, and I scored it at 4 1/4. So just like that. And now I'm going to come in with my Stampin' Dimensionals. Just like that in the center. And then I have some rhinestones. And I just want to put them here at the ends. And I'm using the smaller ones. So there you have it, a quick and simple thank you card. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!